jingilang padba jong ke siam kanek balapan long habadan football tangsning hakalai potri ku risau arjar apusan Menteri rang ba kejela Conrad Sangma ula pliru ya ke sitting gallery jong ke tei kamadan mat yo sngauru markmat na ki padba halor ke jinge ke ba kiat kendu hakaleng ke thaiñ Mawkynrew constituency hakni sngi dalor Menteri rang ba lai don langru MLA ke thaiñ ba bandedor lengdo nang tau commissioner secretary ke sarkar jela usampat kumar ki officer ki engineer bat ki rang ba chnong ki nong trai akan wadi nalor ki wei habakran hakni kesngi nagleng ba bandedor ura penpau ki jingdonkam man penhe yak surak ke baladon lupa bat penpoiru syaki chnong ki bam pat poi surak bat bu higher secondary school bat college bat penpoi umbam syaki chnong ki jaka ajing sumar bat ki weidi ki jingdawa nakaleng Menteri rang ba abakran hakni kesngi ulapan penapaj ba napdeng kimat jingdawa ki ba MLA ulapan sngau kiladon ki ba kesorkar keladep mang tengka ïaki bat sian en sayo bu Mawkynrew kenang man sedang pentraino ïaki ulong ru ba un persyangru ban thaulat ban penbit penbiang ya ki jingdonkam ki ba MLA ulapan sngau.
So I would like to submit some very important issue here. It will take 5-10 minutes, but I would like to present here some of the very important issues regarding my constituency. So it's a great pleasure and honor that you are sparing your precious time despite your busy schedule to visit my constituency and interact with the people through the CM Connect platform. Your initiative ensures that the residents of this part of India also benefit from your guidance and effort. I am deeply grateful for your attention and support, and I present below the key development priorities for your kind consideration. Sir, I would like to start with some road project in my constituency. The intermediate lane from Mawkynrew to Mawkynrew, and I request your kind support to construct a well-maintained lane to improve connectivity. Because you see, sir, the road now, it's too small, especially our constituency. It's very popular now in terms of tourism. People from across the country, across the state, they are start coming and visit so many sites, so many places in my constituency. So we need this intermediate lane or double lane, maybe till Mawkynrew, from Mawkynrew to Mawkynrew, which my constituency started from Mawkynrew after crossing Smith village. And connectivity road Nonglo to MLA, which this one I've already discussed with Rumboy, also Honorable Minister, how to connect this road. We need a bridge to connect from Nonglo area to MLA. This will boost the tourism sector and especially the farmers who are in the area. Sir, the tourism development viewpoint and destination. With your guidance, develop tourist spots at Noran, Sentung, Minsang, khia, Mausna, Umkhoi, Jongsha, Pashang, Umsawar, Saintnai, and Mawkynrew, Nongdrong, and Lightroom. It is a very popular destination for the tourists, and I know, sir, you know very well these two places, Nongdrong and Lightroom. Promoting tourism will boost the local economy and create sustainability livelihood for the people in that area. Improve accessibility and visitor amenities will benefit both residents and tourists. So with solar mission, kindly support installation of solar energy system and street light in villages. This will provide sustainable energy, improve safety, and enhance community well-being. Daily mission number 5: strengthening daily infrastructure like daily support farmers and livestock. It will steady income opportunities and uplift livelihood. Sir, just to remind you once again regarding this bridge, which I already discussed with you, sir, it's a very important bridge to connect Jongsha Thanrai. This bridge, sir, I think we already discussed from time to time. I hope, sir, maybe today or day after tomorrow, maybe after this month, you can announce this very important bridge to link the Jongsha to Thanrai, which so many villages located in Thanrai area. Those students especially used to come to the school of Good Shepherd Higher Secondary School. Just a reminder, sir. And very important also, sir, this one, Center of Excellence. As a reminder, sir, this is a very important. I hope, sir, this one also will get a sanction immediately. This will benefit our farmers of my area. And the very important issue, sir, which we keep on discuss. This is very important, which I want to raise here, sir, just to inform you, sir, that this is a need of ours. The community college, which we are planning to set up in Jongsha. And this is very important, sir. I request you, sir, to consider this, because college is a need of ours, especially in my constituency. And the bypass road from Lakse to Umpranai. Construction of bypass roads will reduce congestion and improve accessibility. It will facilitate smoother transport trade and emergency access. This is, if we can get this bypass, sir, at least it will help our people, especially in the Yosmith. It's very congested, Ms. Smith, sir. So many people from my constituency, when they want to go, because any walk to Shillong, they have to cross Smith, especially the pregnant women when they have to go to hospital. And it's a very important, I think, sir, if we get this bypass from Lakse to Umpranai. And second last, number 10, sir, this one. I just want to remind, sir, this one also. It's very important for our youth, for our footballers, for our sport-loving people of my constituency. The artificial turf in Jongsha. Artificial turf in Jongsha, sir, which I've already discussed with you, sir. This is, I think, my whole community, especially our youth, which we used to organize the Mawkynrew Cup. So we are playing in the field which is not good for the players. So if this can be considered, I'm 100% sure, sir, that so many footballers, so many youth, they will shine from here and the state as well. So this is the last point which we need. Is a greater water supply scheme. Water supply shortage, it's all about the villages in my constituency, especially in PHC Jata. When I went last time, there is no water proper supply in PHC Jata. So which I already discussed with doctor and staff of that PhD. So they requested me, and I already discussed with you, sir, regarding this also. The water supply is very important, I think, not only in PHC but also in other villages, which I will mention here example as a Nongjrong village. Nongjrong is a beautiful villages. It's a beautiful village which so many people across the state, across the country, they want to go to Nongjrong. Early morning, by 1:30, 2 o'clock, people starting from Shillong to go to Nongjrong to see the cloud in the air. I think many of them, I think from here also, we have to visit Nongjrong. So, sir, what happened in Nongjrong, sir? The JGL scheme is already implemented, but it's not functional. So, in that village now, there is no water supply, and the source also is completely damaged. So, I believe that if we can get a good water supply, maybe a pump it.
Can I come to comment?
Kaya kabangan nga puli ng ni nantan mga lato na konkret. Kalong kabangan ay kendo man kasi karjaan ng tiban sa kriyo pagbato ka conspiracy. Tiga ni kali kajaka kabapilu pilakan prisno. Andray nga kwa ang mga bitang gawin. Baka soban ay kulay ka pa. Yung siya ko ng burong sumi. Hagi po kung siya video asmo utang siyang connect. Ha? Usia mengewan dah kejengkit klik pun mengelang stage. Bagwan ni bagi penduk berpai ba. Lada day bomdom kejengkit klik ngam sarai pemuan ni taksi. Wadi por paling kuat makana rungan wan melai. Nomor klik ngilong kibril bekloi dan pedang mepingi angnut tapi wan mepi. Nomor kali jingdonkam dia bingung di nong song sno. Hang ni bun kilong kumi. Bubun samla. Bapin suhu bapin tip ya di skim ki badan mat ka government. Nomor ba nincu keno ka sorkat manginig sorkat. Dan mangingi hapan keren. Mangingi hapan pan, mangingi hapan snow. Ya kabalan ka sorkat kan lek ya kabalan ya. Kung mga ngajo, ya kabalan ang hawa ya kabalan. Andai kani gisni kerpang, kabang sok kemana tu tata, nilai ini kan kita siap connect kelak, apa pasti kejomi. Jadi dong si thaiñ ko per ko menjela kejomi. Andai gini badan bau siam dia menuan kita sendiri. Ngadu benar ni ketik kemensiam juga, ni lalu menerbas ni muda muda. Orang Yawan mentang asni penbaik, mentang ada uski balok dari. Dan khia long dia mentapel. Asubi kan usia menuan mo dan yumiran play so when I play di baro you be na I play ya kadalash.
And we have visited almost close to 10 to 12 blocks now. And the response has been very, very positive. For the first time, people feel that administration and governance has come close to them. When we have programs like these, I'm not promising that we can do everything, because we can't. I'll be very frank. We cannot solve all problems. But if we fail to even listen to your problem, then we are failing in our duty as public representatives and as a government to be able to fulfill our commitment to you and to be able to provide better facilities and better infrastructure and overall better development. There are many problems we know which are very, very simple to solve. But because there is communication gap, the problems don't get solved. Sometimes it just requires coordination between multiple departments. Sometimes some problem just requires Chief Minister to give a small instruction. So we are hopeful that through the CM Connect program, we are able to resolve the problems of the people. Today, like always, We have representatives and officials from all the line departments in the state. I jokingly tell people that this is actually not a CM Connect because I will not be replying. Our officials will be replying. Whatever you ask, the department officials are right here in front of you to reply to your query. And again, when I say this, we are not here to catch anyone or to put anybody in an embarrassing position. Absolutely not. I would request that officers should feel happy that you are getting an opportunity to be with the people. You're getting an opportunity to serve and to be able to solve their problems. We should take it positively, not negatively. And if this positivity continues in the system, I'll tell you, we'll start enjoying governance. We'll start enjoying what we do. We'll start enjoying serving and helping the people. And if that kind of an attitude and positivity comes in, both from the people's side and from the officials and from the political leadership, I think we are creating a very positive environment for positive governance and positive development in our state. Again, I stress, we cannot guarantee you that we'll solve everything that you ask us. But at least we will listen to you, we will try our best, and I've seen that more than 50% of the problems actually we've been able to resolve in the past, which is a great number. Because if the CM Connect program had not taken place, then even those 50% problems would never have been solved. So that's why I request you to all take it positively. We have mentioned about the artificial turf. I am giving you a commitment today, right here in the CM Connect program. I've spoken to my officials that they should expedite the DPR preparation, and it will be, as I said, a gift from my side to my dear friend Babante Dor and the local MLA and to the youth of our constituency for the artificial turf that he has just demanded. And the bridge is something that I have promised for a long time, but because of many different issues, we were not able to sanction it. But I'm happy to tell you that finally the DPR is ready, and the department will be sending it within a day's or 2 days time to the planning department, and we expect the sanction to happen within a week's time. And post that, as I said, Honorable MLA and PWD Minister will be coming to lay the foundation stone for that, and I expect that the work for the Jongsha-Tinroy bridge connection, which is very important for the people of this area, the work also will start within a couple of months' time. So these two projects are definitely happening. And regarding the project for the water supply in Mawkynrew village, as you all have listened and heard the engineers, the problem is because the source is not there. And therefore we have to create the new source, or rather we have to find a new source. And therefore the engineers have done that, but implementation of that will require about 11.5 crores additional funds. So I will have to examine that, and then more importantly, to run the scheme, we will have to have continuous pumping of water by hundreds of feet. And so for that to happen, there will be huge electricity bills. And hence, how do we practically make this possible and feasible? That question arises. So I would like to request Honorable MLA to sit with PH department, sit with MECM department. I am ready to help and support financially, but you have to give me a working model. You have to make me a model that is sustainable, because tomorrow, even if after I finish the pump and the storage and create the dam, the problem is if the electricity bill is not paid, the water supply will stop again. So how will we ensure that the bills are paid? Is it going to be collected from the community? Is it going to be collected from the tourist? Or do you expect government to pay? Because it's again a big decision for us. It's not a one-time expenditure. Every electricity bill has to be paid every month to pump the water. So we'll have to find a practical solution to that. And I request you to take the lead and resolve this problem. So with that, I would like to initiate the actual CM Connect program now, and would urge if we can have our public come forward and ask the questions they would like to ask. I have asked PWD to expedite the DPR, and now that they've sent the DPR to the department, and once it comes to planning, I have assured the Honorable MLA, after his continuous pressure and follow-up, that I will be sanctioning this bill immediately. So this will be done immediately. I'll tell you how much the cost is. It is a total cost of the project. So it is a 21.75 meters span RCC bridge, and the total cost is 13 crores 35 lakhs 96,000. So this has come to us. So I am publicly announcing today that this the technical part is over. I think within a month's time we should be able to sanction this, and we should be able to start the work before Christmas also, hopefully. I also would like to announce, after Honorable MLA has requested during the public hearing and in CM Connect, that the proposal for the artificial turf is not ready yet, as the sports officials has said that it will take some time. The location is what you have to choose, because there is the indoor stadium also is coming up. So whether you want the stadium next to the indoor stadium, so that there's a full sports facility developed, or would you like the stadium, the artificial turf to be somewhere else in the same location? Okay, so next to that only we'll make that. So I have spoken to planning department just now on the phone once MLA had requested me. There is no proposal right now for it, but I instructed planning department and sports department to immediately put up the proposal, and this is going to be a gift from my side to the Honorable MLA and to the sports persons from our Mawkynrew constituency, that I will be sanctioning an artificial turf for Mawkynrew constituency.
We talk less and we listen more. It is a program where we've come to hear your concerns. We started this about a year and a half back, and we have visited almost close to 10 to 12 blocks now. And the response has been very, very positive. For the first time, people feel that administration and governance has come close to them. When we have programs like these, I'm not promising that we can do everything, because we can't. I'll be very frank. We cannot solve all problems. But if we fail to even listen to your problem, then we are failing in our duty as public representatives and as a government to be able to fulfill our commitment to you and to be able to provide better facilities and better infrastructure and overall better development. There are many problems we know which are very, very simple to solve. But because there is communication gap, the problems don't get solved. Sometimes it just requires coordination between multiple departments. Sometimes some problem just requires Chief Minister to give a small instruction. So we are hopeful that through the CM Connect program, we are able to resolve the problems of the people. I would request that officers should feel happy that you are getting an opportunity to be with the people. You're getting an opportunity to serve and to be able to solve their problems. We should take it positively, not negatively. And if this positivity continues in the system, I'll tell you, we'll start enjoying governance. We'll start enjoying what we do. We'll start enjoying serving and helping the people. And if that kind of an attitude and positivity comes in, both from the people's side and from the officials and from the political leadership, I think we are creating a very positive environment for positive governance and positive development.